Okay, we're going to be talking about section 3 in combining forces. To do this little section, you should first read page 90 of the reading. It's attached to your Edmodo post, so you can find it there. It's just these three little paragraphs with the diagram. And the main section focuses on this picture right here of two people pushing a dresser and how we would describe that with force vectors. So the first step on your slide is to insert figure 4. That's this guy right here. You should crop that out on your iPad, insert it onto your explain everything slide. And then it says what happens when two friends exert force in the same direction on the dresser. So when we look here at our picture and we're trying to figure that out, we see that the force vectors for the bottom person is going to the right, and it's like maybe half an inch long, and the person standing up, they have a force vector that's maybe like twice as long as the other one's going in the same direction. And then they have this picture next to it where now there's only one vector, but if you were to measure the length of this one, it would be this vector plus this one. So this guy is the length of these two vectors added together. So that gives us a hint into what happens when we exert force in the same direction. In this figure, the direction of the net force is to the right. And what is the total net force? Well, if we look at the bottom of the diagram, it's 200 plus 100, and the net force is 300 newtons. You're going to have to take a picture with a friend doing something similar, draw in the force vectors of the two people, and then right next to it do another picture of the same thing with one force vector showing that these two added together and that the net force is the sum of the individual forces of the objects acting on whatever you decide to push. Okay, good luck, do your best, and I'll see you in class today.